Good morning, everyone. I'm Ediah, and I am your airhouse captain. Today we'll be holding our second assembly for Term 3 a little differently. Please listen carefully. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, waters, and culture. We pay our respects to the elders past, present, and emerging. Here's Phoenix.
Good morning. I'm Phoenix, the airhouse captain. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your back for the national anthem. Please sing along in a strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you, everyone. Here's Aaliyah.
Good morning, I'm Aaliyah and I'm Waterhouse Captain, Cormorant School Awards. This week we'll be giving out some awards for students that have been doing some excellent work during the first few weeks of remote learning. We are calling these Cormorant School Awards as they are a shout out to the students who have demonstrated excellent engagement in remote learning and have been submitting 5-star work. Here is Mr. Flanagan to read out the awards.
All right, thank you very much, Aaliyah. So we'll be starting off with the preps this week. From Prep A, Aiden, for engaging positively in online activities and for producing some outstanding writing. Keep it up, Aiden. From Prep B, we have Mario, for his enthusiasm and persistence towards tasks, especially when they are challenging. From Prep C, we have Amir, for his fantastic enthusiasm and excitement towards completing all of his learning tasks. Keep it up, Amir. From Prep D, we have Jada, for having a fantastic attitude towards her online learning and working hard on practicing her strategies when reading. From Prep E, we have Chloe, for her creative effort and positive attitude in her learning videos and her consistent effort to produce best work. From Prep F, we have Anahad, for engaging in all online activities with enthusiasm and always listening to her teacher feedback. From Prep G, we've got Spencer, for displaying a can-do attitude to online learning. His enthusiasm and dedication to all of his learning tasks should be commended. Well done, Spencer. And the last one for preps, we've got from Prep H, Shemaya, for completing all online tasks to a high standard and demonstrating enthusiasm towards new activities each day. Well done, Preps. Now we're up to the grade 1s. From 1A, Blake, for making a huge effort towards his handwriting and working hard practicing his mathematics skills on Seesaw. From 1B, we've got Paige, for engaging in all Zoom meetings and positively commenting on her peers' work. From 1C, we have James, for always joining in Zooms and doing his best work with a big smile. From 1D, we have Gabby, for being an absolute legend throughout the entire home learning process as she could not come to school, always participating and completing her home learning to an amazing standard. And our last grade 1 award goes to Madison in 1E for her positive and determined attitude towards remote learning. Well done, Madison. All right, we're up to the grade 2s. From 2A, well done, Rishi, for showing great commitment to his learning by continuously producing high quality work. His ongoing engagement and effort should be commended. Well done, Rishi. From 2B, Vishwa, for completing all online tasks to a high standard and demonstrating enthusiasm towards new activities each day. From 2C, we have Bodhi, for showing such dedication to his learning, always bringing positivity and kindness to the remote learning environment and Zoom meetings, and completing all set tasks. I'm so proud of you, Bodhi. From 2D, we have Aviraj, for making an impressive start at Lyndhurst Primary School, engaging in all Zoom meetings and completing all learning tasks with a growth mindset. From 2E, we have Riddick, for his positive attitude and commitment for posting his 5-star work each day. And from 2F, we have Natuli, for being a dedicated student in online learning, uploading tasks to a high standard and being present at all Zoom meetings. Keep up the great work, Natuli. Well done to the grade 2s. Now on to the grade 3s. From 3A, Damien, for being an enthusiastic participant in all our Zoom meetings and always completing his work to a high standard. Well done, Damien. From 3B, Satayesh, for her enthusiasm and insightful contributions during all Zoom discussions. Well done, Satayesh. From 3C, we have Jackson, for enthusiastically responding to tasks on Seesaw. You engage in all subject areas and we thank you for sharing your responses with us. From 3D, Lincoln, for being an enthusiastic member of our online classroom. You try your very best and always support your friends with words of encouragement. We are very lucky to have you. From 3E, we have Nemeth, for her positive comments and encouragement towards her peers on our class blog. Thank you for offering help when it's needed and supporting your friends during a tricky time of learning. Well done to the grade 3 students. And now from grade 4. From 4A, we have Jaya, for being dedicated to completing all her set classwork, submitting all of the required work, and assisting her peers by answering questions on Google Classroom. Awesome work, Jaya. From 4B, the award goes to Jacob, for being polite towards your teachers and peers during on-site learning. You have been an incredible and patient friend to someone who really needed your care and support. I am super proud of you. From 4C, the award goes to Patrick, for showing great initiative and paying attention to detail when helping your classmates over Google Classroom. Thanks for all your efforts, Patrick. From 4D, we have Tiana, for demonstrating a positive attitude on Zoom, helping out her peers on Google Classroom and completing all learning tasks. Keep up the great work, Tiana. You should be very proud of yourself. From 4E, the award goes to Taylor, for putting great effort into all remote tasks and posting her teachers so her teachers can see her work. Well done to the grade 4 students. Now up to grade 5. From 5A, the award goes to Aiden, for his dedicated effort to his schoolwork, completing all of his learning activities and participating in our online classroom. In 5B, the award goes to Vivian, for always completing her remote learning tasks to an extremely high standard. You should be very proud of your work, Vivian. In 5C, we have Alana, for producing work to an incredibly high standard. Well done, Alana. In 5D, the award goes to Simaprit, for her amazing efforts in producing work of a high standard and for following feedback to improve that work. And lastly, for grade 5, in 5E, the award goes to Mahi, for completing all learning tasks and asking questions when she is unsure. Well done to the grade 5 students. And our last year level, the grade 6s. From 6A, well done to Sachi for her dedicated effort when completing remote learning tasks and asking questions to improve her learning. In 6B, the award goes to Daniel for starting at Lyndhurst PS and engaging in your remote learning so quickly. In 6C, the award goes to Jack for your dedication to at-home learning, staying on task and helping others. You are an online superstar. And our last award for the week is to the student in 6D, Navi, for showing great dedication to her remote learning whilst still being overseas. Your commitment to your learning has been outstanding. Keep it up. Well done to all the students who received an award this week. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Flanagan. Please give all our award winners a round of applause. Here's Isaac.
Hi, I'm Isaac and I'm the ward house captain. Here is Mr. Flanagan to present his weekly report.
Thank you, Isaac. Well, it's been a really big first couple of weeks of remote learning, and it's been a really big 3 weeks for all our teachers who were planning in week 1 while the students were still on holidays. I just want to say congratulations for how all of you have started this period of remote learning. We've had some excellent feedback from all of your teachers from across every year level for just how well you have all engaged and for the quality of work that you've been submitting. Just a reminder for all of our parents to keep an eye on our Facebook page and your emails for continued communication and resources from the school, including the fantastic read-alouds that our staff have been making. And lastly, I just wanted to reiterate what Ms. Hill said last week about looking after yourselves at home. Be nice to your siblings, be nice to your parents. It's a difficult time, but at Lyndhurst, we'll get through this because we're in it together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Flanagan. That concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your day and enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Stay seated and follow your mum and dad's instructions.